In.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them is to fit what you want them to be is like trying to change a dog into a cat or a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 42, NASDAQ up 10, S&P's flat, gold contract up $16.10 at 1181.40, silver up 10 cents at $16.55, platinum up $26 at $9.69. All the metals caught a good bid, folks. Gold in particular had wide price spread, accelerated volume, wants higher price. Copper down 2 pennies, trading at $2.53 a pound. Light sweet crude up 43 cents at $53.69 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note up 25 ticks, 124.28. 30-year bond up a full 2 points plus 2 ticks. Big numbers here. Trading 152.24. Notes and bonds, they've rejected lower price the past week. They're moving with conviction, which is wide price spread, accelerated volume. Bottom line, they want higher price, lower yield. Pretty wild. King dollar down 1,244 ticks. Trading at 101.465. What you have with King dollar is this. King dollar has tested the high 3 separate times since December 15th. Failed each and every time on price and volume. Come down today. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. Good old King dollar wants lower price. We'll see how it's going to test the 100.600 mark. Now, if King dollar breaks that 100.600 mark with conviction, meaning volume, wide price spread, accelerated volume, hold on, man, because that would be you're saying that good old King dollar is going to make its way down to the 91 area. Now, when currencies move, folks, that'll take a long period of time. But this was a break topside, and if it was a false break, then guess what? Can't bust them up, going to bust them down. Euro's at 106. The yen is trading at 115.51. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? The SPY, you had a sideways movement out here. You're down 24 cents sideways, 75 million shares. Bottom line, to get the lower price, you're going to need more volume on the way down. Now, that being said, what did happen inside the NYSE, volume did come into the market. Dow Industrials also just sideways moved down $42, no big deal. But you have volume, and the Dow did get down to 19,811. So that's saying in a subtle way, Dow does want lower price. NDX 100, we take a look at the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? Sideways move, well, not a sideways move, you're up 68 cents. Light volume, 20 million shares. You're at 120.87. You know, this thing looks like it's going to, well, yeah, it's right at its high. The high inside the Qs from the 27th of December is 121.52. No reason it can't hit it. Small caps, the IWM. What do we have with the IWM? IWM, sideways move again. Now, you're down $1.59, but that's still inside this whole range. And the volume was actually light. It did 28 million shares. That 28 million is light in comparison. You know, yesterday we were going higher. That was 34 million shares. That 34 million was going to 45, you know, so lighter than that. But bottom line is that in order for the Russell 2000 to get lower, we're going to need more volume. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, up $15.60. You have the price spread. You got all of the above. With 262,000 contracts. This baby wants to make its way up to 1221 to 1272. Silver, I want to see and does need more volume. And price spread. We did 65,000 contracts, which isn't bad. Price spread, not big, though. My take is that, yeah, we are on the way up to the 1720 area. What I want to see that come in is that I want to see price spread come in there. Notes, the 10-year note, 30-year bond has it all, as does the gold contract. We did 1.8 million contracts here, come right into all these swing points, much higher volume. This one's higher price. What's pretty cool here, no doubt, is that this is a big expansion of volume. The 10-year wants to run to the 127.07 area. And if we take a look at the, that's technically, fundamentally what you have in this market right now. The 10-year is at 2.3 right now. And the high for the year has been 2.559. So bottom line, we're going the opposite way, meaning the yields are going back down. We go take a look at the 30-year. 30-year, quite a move out here. And they forced this right into the close, too, by the way. Up a full 2 points. 319,000 contracts. That's big contract value inside the 30-year. 30-year looks to me like we're at 152.25. This baby can be up at 155 into Election Day tomorrow. And, if we get into that area, and we get into that area with conviction, that's saying that bonds also are going to want a lot higher price. It's going to be amazing watching this whole thing shake out. The reason being is that what you have is the 30-year bond never took out a major swing point on this contraction. The last time it took out a major swing point was in 1999. We go take a look at the dollar index. A dollar, bottom line, wide price spread, accelerated volume on the way down. Broke an additional swing point from the 30th with big volume. We did 60,000 contracts. On the 30th, you had 38,000 contracts. This wants to go after the $99 and $250. You get into that level, and if we get into that level with conviction, what that would be setting up, that bottom line, that would be setting up the failure of the breakout from the 15th of December. So it's a big number. If we do pull that back and see what you have happening here, the number itself, we had been consolidating there for so long. The consolidation started with the dollar in March of 2015. We broke out in November. And if you get back inside that, that would be saying that the dollar wants to get back down to the 91 area, gets right back inside that same consolidation. So pretty intense. XAU and the HUI, they both want higher price. Had the price spread, all of the above. XAU is up 454, trading at 87.93. Gold Bugs Index, that was up $12 at 204. They both are already into the election day, and they want higher price. You stay right there, folks. We come right back. Dow finished down 42. NASDAQ up 10. S&Ps were flat. We're going to be right back.
If you're an active trader